Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Ipsy icon box for May of 2023. We've already done a video unveiling what I got in my regular Ipsy, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. Actually a pretty good bag. We got some makeup items, a full-size item in there. Pretty stoked. I'm actually so excited to open up my ABH box because, like, you know, it's Ipsy icon ABH, like Anastasia Beverly Hills, you guys. So excited to see what I got in here. So if you are too, like this video. Thanks Ipsy for sending this my way as always. Ipsy Open Studios, which isn't Open Studios it's anymore. I think it's Incubator, Creator, I forget. But we have this. I'm so excited. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Let me just crisscross applesauce and get my scissors. There's no point in that. I gotta open my box. Swabam. Oh my gosh. This is like the best box I've ever gotten. Like, excuse me? Like, excuse me? Okay, first up, from Skin Inc., I have the Body Sculpt Fit Serum. That's exciting. Okay, this velvety, lightweight body serum melts into the skin to help lift, tone, and smooth appearance of uneven skin for a visibly brighter and healthier glow. Apply liberally all over the body, concentrating on affected areas such as arms, belly, thighs, derriere. For maximum results, massage serum into skin in circular motions using our Tri-Light Body Sculpt Fit. Made in Korea. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. And then the next thing I'm seeing is, okay, first off, this is actually way prettier in person. This is from JLo Beauty, Jennifer Lopez, you guys. This is that JLo Glow Serum. What do you do? Tighten and brighten. I love anything that says tighten, okay? Directions: apply to dry, clean skin. AM plus PM. Let absorb completely and dry down before moisturizing. I'm so excited to try that. Okay. And then we have from Glow Recipe the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, which I mentioned in my last video that I did when I talked about Icon Box, that mine turned like this really weird color. Yeah, you can kind of see the tone. It has like an orangey tone. Eventually mine like completely changed and it didn't smell good. So, but you guys said you didn't notice it, so maybe it was just me, but like this looks normal. Let me go ahead and yeah, that smells good. That smells good. I'm actually really excited to have this back because I did go through like a good half of my bottle. And then next up, also from Glow Recipe, we have the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. I love Glow Recipe so much. I believe I actually have them in my description box. Ooh, that's a nice bottle. Hey, love that. Okay, love that. Oh, let's smell it. Let's smell it. Smells good, I think. I don't know. I have like different products on me, so now I can't like smell, but my bad. Anyways, okay. The rest are like makeup products. So I'm just gonna pull out and put them right here. I'm like beyond ecstatic, okay? Beyond ecstatic, okay. First up, we have a satin liquid lipstick. No, wait, no, satin lipstick from ABH in praline. I'm so excited. Okay, here is the packaging, you guys. And the color, oh my god, this is like a perfect color. Okay. Oh, it's such a good color. Oh, okay. I'm so excited. That's such a good freaking color. I'm going to wear that tomorrow. Okay. Then we have here the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter stick in the shade Bubbly. Oh, so this side's a brush. This side is a highlighter. I hope that this will work for me. Okay. Okay, it's a gold highlighter. We'll have to play. I can't really tell. And then we have this from MAC, which I'm so excited about because I've been wanting to try this. been wanting to try this. This is the Magic Extension 5 millimeter fiber mascara. Ditch your false lashes. This is just giving me Thrive Cosmetics vibes, and that's like literally the best mascara when it comes to like trying to like make your lashes bigger and stuff. But this is the packaging, super cute. I don't want to open it yet, but I am going to use this tomorrow. So I'm very excited about that. Sorry I keep like looking off in the viewfinder. My foundation just looks so freaking good. Hold on, side note, I tried this Michelob foundation that I've been seeing all over the internet, and my face looks so freaking good. And then I'm also using the Coastal palette from Alter Ego on my eyeballs. So I just keep looking at myself because I look so good. Wow, that sounded... anyways, we have one more product left. So excited. I hope this shade is going to work for me because I've been also wanting to try this since I've seen them come out with it. This is their cream bronzer. Mine is shade Caramel, and Caramel sounds like it's like not gonna work for me, so we'll see. Yeah, this looks like a medium skin tone shade, but it could work. Oh, I was like, why is that so shiny? We'll keep that. Oof, maybe this will work. I don't know. It seems kind of dark. It's very oily too. I don't think it's gonna work for me. I'm so sad. I'll have to try it. I'll do a video where I try a bunch of makeup to see if it works on my face. Maybe that's when I'll do my story time video, is trying on a whole bunch of makeup. Cause like, I really want to try this. It feels like it would be good for dry skin just cause it's so oily, but it like blended out really well. Anyways, that is everything that I got in my Ipsy icon box. Very pleasantly surprised. Very happy. Best Ipsy X type mega box that I've ever had. And by the way, I completely forgot that the Ipsy, what was it? The Ipsy, like, I forgot. It was the first time Ipsy came out with like their big subscription box where it was like 5 full size, 3 or 4 or so sample sizes. I already forgot what that was called, but I literally, like, that just came into memory. I forgot that existed till just now. Yeah, so this was good. Let me know what you got in your box. What were your choices? Let a girl know down below, because like this was exciting. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Like and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.